हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। आज हम एक अच्छे न्यूज़ की बात करने वाले हैं। नोकिया कोलैबोरेट करेगा आईआईसी के साथ, आईआईसी बैंगलोर के साथ इन द फील्ड ऑफ 5G एंड रोबोटिक्स। ये अच्छा है बिकॉज नोकिया हैज़ बीन इनटू कनेक्टिविटी, नोकिया हैज़ बीन इनटू मोबाइल नेटवर्किंग, दे हैव बीन इनटू नेटवर्किंग, लेट्स जस्ट से दैट। एंड देन वो जब रिसर्च करेगा 5G पे एंड ट्राइंग टू गेट 5G एंड दैट नेटवर्किंग स्पीड ऑन टू रोबोटिक्स with IISc. So IISc is something really cool. Like the things that they do, the projects that they make, crazy projects. So this is a good news for us. They'll be using this robotics lab to research on advanced communication over 5G in robotics. They're also working on emergency management, agricultural robots, and industrial automation. Okay, good. That's really good. उसके बाद they are working on drones as well. They will be working on drones for agriculture and even for the forest fire to understand कि forest fire अगर कहीं पे है तो कितने range में बढ़ रहा है, किस rate से बढ़ रहा है, किस तरफ बढ़ रहा है, and all that. So which makes sense because all this needs lot of drones over the forest. वो सब एक दूसरे से communicate करके maybe all those drones are taking pictures और वो pictures का stitch करके you can understand the time lapse of how the forest fire grew, किस तरफ ज़्यादा बढ़ा, किस तरफ कम बढ़ा, and everything else. You can do data analytics on so many things when you have images with it. So they are doing that as well. Plus, they will help IIAC to collaborate with Nokia Bell Labs as well. Bell Labs is their core research branch where they do most of the innovative research. So, and experts from those particular wings will be helping IISc to work on robot orchestration. Robot orchestration is basically जब बहुत सारे robots एक दूसरे से communicate कर रहे हैं and they can know which robot is at what direction, कितने दूर है, and mix all of that data into one particular chunk and use that chunk to analyze. So robot orchestration पे वो काम करेंगे, robot network controllers पे काम करेंगे and human robot interaction पे काम करने वाले हैं. So this is really cool. I'm really excited about this. I hope Nokia और IISc दोनों इस particular opportunity को जो कि window खुला है use करें because 5G अब बढ़ रहा है धीरे धीरे and there is no particular company या no particular country who has come up with like हाँ ये solid 5G plan है and let's broadcast this all over the world. In India with Reliance बहुत काम किया है 5G पे and seems like we might also have our own network of 5G, own research on 5G and maybe have own optimizations and algorithms on that. Also, talking about algorithms, IISc has also confirmed that they'll be using this particular faculty or this particular lab with different faculties, different disciplines, and all those disciplines जो हैं वहाँ पे वो maybe CS, electronics, robotics, and others as well, even mechanical, aerospace, सब अपना अपना best algorithms इसमें fit करेंगे. That means all those faculties who can help us in doing this, वो algorithms को use करने में, वो systems को use करने में, they'll be putting all those faculties and disciplines into this particular branch and try to get the best out of it. So this was the news for this week, guys. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned if you guys want news every week on robotics. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.